welcome back to my channel, and today I'm so excited to debut this beautiful, amazing new hairline I've been working with. It's called NP Beautiful. It is by celebrity hairstylist David Babaii. So I thought I'd show you one of my favorite hairstyles for the holidays and how I achieved that using the NP Beautiful products. But the best part about this line is that it's not just about performance. It's a blend of science and nature. So the products are made with sustainable ingredients, eco-friendly ingredients. They're never tested on animals, sulfate, paraben, sodium chloride free. I can't say enough about all of the thought behind what goes into the products, but they actually work. The most important part obviously is it has to work, or why else would you use it? So 10% of their net proceeds go to charities that help support pediatric cancer research and animal abuse prevention. So it's really cool that they are choosing to use their influence in that way. So totally support that as well. This is big, sexy hair, and it's got that vintage Hollywood vibe to it. So a little bit glamorous. A lot glamorous, and totally ready for all your holiday parties, and it's really, really easy to do. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it today using all the NP Beautiful products. So as you can see, my hair is damp, and I just washed it with the NP Beautiful volumizing shampoo and conditioner. So I'm gonna start with the Miracle Serum. It says to start with a couple drops. This is supposed to be a hero for hair that's been over-processed, is dry or damaged or coarse, which mine has been processed. Because I'm a blonde, I feel like you can't avoid that damage. So it says to start with a couple drops. I'm just gonna apply this all over. Oh my gosh, you guys, it smells so good. And it's sulfate free, it's never tested on animals, which is one of the things I really love about this line. And as I mentioned earlier, 10% of the sales of every product goes to charity, which is really cool. Now we're gonna go in with the volumizing spray, and this uses raw lotus root to really lift the hair to ginormous levels. I also love that all these products can be used wet or dry. So obviously my hair is wet now, but I could go in and restyle with it later. Are the pieces that are really important, because these are the ones that frame your face. So we're gonna make sure, we're gonna do this last piece in 2 sections. We're gonna do the best we can, you guys. We're just gonna give it our all. Curling away from the face, starting about halfway down, working our way up as we work the little clamp down. So just really giving those a little bit more time, love, and tenderness than the others. As you can see, this is kind of what we want it to look like when we brush it out. So now we're gonna do this last section. Okay guys, so we got to the last section, the most exciting section, because this is the part that really frames our face on this side, and this is the vibe we wanna go for. So as we work on these last couple pieces, just making sure that they are our best work. Okay, this is the last section. So sometimes on the last section, I'll do a little bit bigger of a piece than I would normally do, just because all of this hair can all be curled into one great section. And you can touch it up later if it doesn't curl exactly how you want, but we are going to attempt to get this guy really exactly the shape that we want. Okay guys, so the hair is all curled. As you can see, all the increments are lining up. If your hair isn't looking a little crazy right now, a little crusty, Shirley Temple-ish, you're not doing it right. So don't worry if at this stage you're like, not the look I was going for. This is where we become glamorous. So I like to use a bristle brush to brush all the hair out. Also gonna go in with my NP Beautiful Volumizing Dry Shampoo. This is free of parabens, sulfate, and sodium chloride, so you know it's not damaging for your hair. Just gonna go in, spray at the root, shake it out. As you can see, it really works its way down. One little spray and this whole side is like twice as big. Yes. Oh, she's looking so pretty. And then kind of shake it out. So this is great if you're with second, third day. I don't judge fourth, fifth day hair. I don't wash my hair that often. It's also great if your hair is really shiny and freshly washed and you need just a little more grit and grip and texture, which is what I'm using it for today. So without any back combing, look at the amount of volume we were able to achieve with this volumizing dry shampoo. I swear the more I play with it, like the bigger it gets. This is wild. Now I'm gonna go in and just add a little back combing at the root because we have definitely achieved the volume I'm wanting here, but the root is always a little tricky. I like to start a little bigger because throughout the day, inevitably it falls. So that really helps to lift the hair away here at the root, and then you can go ahead and do your tuck. Now we're just gonna repeat and get this side nice and big. So once you've done that, then you can bring it back, and that's it. So I'm gonna put on some earrings and show you guys the final effect. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, comment below and let me know what you guys want to see next. If you tried this, what you thought. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a ton more awesome content coming your way. I've been working on it and I'm really excited to have you guys here. And I promise I'm going to be better about posting more regularly. So thank you for being here. Thank you for watching.